Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your microphone settings in Google Chrome. So this might occur due to Google Meet or something not detecting your mic, so let's fix that. So you're going to open your Google Chrome, click on the three dots right here and select the second last option, settings. Okay, so here in search settings you're going to type in microphone. Okay, it will bring out inside settings there's two results. So click on side settings and you can see microphone right here. Click on that. Here you can change your microphone from the default to another microphone that you want to, or you can just make sure the site asks for your permission or not allow the site to use your microphone. Here you can change all of the settings to fix your microphone problems. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any other problems or any other questions, please put them in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, peeps.